Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Lowrance Ghost Trolling Motor Easy Guide. Start by powering the motor and pairing it to your Lowrance display using the menu pairing option. Calibrate compass and set 1 foot forward as the thrust orientation. Verify prop spin direction and test full forward and reverse at low throttle. Adjust steering gain for smoother turns and save your settings to a profile for quick recall. Begin by positioning the Ghost on the bow and loosely fitting the bracket bolts so you can fine-tune placement. Route positive and negative battery cables to a fused breaker near the battery, then tighten connections. Attach the transducer according to Lowrance spacing guidelines to avoid turbulence. Tighten the motor clamp, then fully secure all bolts and cable ties. Power on and confirm the display recognizes the motor before heading out on the water. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the channel to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfortable on long fishing trips and save space in your tackle bag. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Power on the motor and access the control pad to test manual thrust and steering response with the boat secured. Engage heading hold for steady tracking or use anchor lock to hold position over structure. Use spot lock to maintain GPS position when fishing one spot. Watch battery voltage readouts and reduce speed if levels drop. Practice transitions between manual and autopilot modes in calm conditions before relying on them in rough water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.